In this lecture, I'm going to show you how you can write and execute Python program using IDLE, or sometimes called idle. The reason I want to show you how to use idle is that for many programmers, idle seems to be their favorite. IDLE or idle stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. So this IDLE comes with default installation of Python. Hence, to open the IDLE, I will simply go to anaconda prompt. And here on the anaconda prompt, you need to type IDLE and hit enter on the keyboard. And this will start the Python shell. As you can see, this is a Python shell window. So what I will do is I will go to File and New File. This is the editor window. And this is the shell window. Here on the editor, I can simply type print hello world. Before I run this, I will first of all save the file. You can save it wherever you have specified. Let's save it as hello world on my desktop. And hit on save. Then I will go to run. And run module. And here we can see the output of the shell window. So this is how simple it is to write and execute Python code in idle. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lecture.